First off, we have the hardwood. So we're going to use the carpet tile tape, which you can get at carpettiletape.com if you need. Okay, here just showing that it's real wood. We're going to place the double-sided carpet tile tape right on the hardwood. And we're just going to test to see if it leaves any sticky residue on the hardwood or damages the hardwood in any way. Now, this is heavy-duty, double-sided tape. Very sticky. Showing you here with my finger. Now we're going to peel up a corner. This is the best way to do it. And rip it off. Comes off very nice. Doesn't leave any sticky residue. And the floor looks perfect. And if you are interested, you can grab this carpet tile tape at carpettiletape.com or just search on Amazon, carpet tile tape, and look for the orange label. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in another video.